Alright, so I'm going to record um, how to label a number on an open number line. I've always just had to find a number on a number line, so having to label it as a second grade student is a little difficult, so I gave them one of two options based on the state standards, and the first one is to let's say we're working with the number 24, okay? So they start at 0 is one option. And then whatever they do for their next line, they'll do that for their other lines. And I want to get a number with 0 being the lowest and a number that's bigger than the number I'm trying to locate as my next number. So I'm going to do 10 right here. And what I was showing them in class is that whatever the distance or the value is between these two marks, that's what I need to do for the rest of my marks. So this value between 0 and 10 is 10. So between 10 and my next mark needs to be another 10, which gets me to 20. Okay? And we did work with a ruler as well, but right now they don't have to use a ruler. Unless they want to, they could. And I'm going to put 30 because I need to put another 10 over. Because again, that's what the value is between my first two hatch marks. Alright, so 24, I want to locate 24 on my number line. And I'm going to put it, if halfway between 20 and 30 is 25, and I know that, then I need to put it just a little bit less than halfway. And I'm going to mark my 24 right here. Now the other way that we learned in class to mark an open number line, let me give myself one more number line, is to zoom in, kind of like a camera is what we talked about, or binoculars, or a telescope. They came up with all kinds of great ideas. So if we zoom in on that line a little bit, we're not going to start at 0, but let's say we're still doing the number 24. Switch back colors. Okay. Then I might start at 20. And since I'm dealing with a number that's within the tens still and not the hundreds, then maybe I could even make the other end of my line 25. And the students were just so attentive to the fact that even though this is a smaller space, let's say, an inch or so, it represents 10, but then this big old space only represents 5. But that's because that's how I marked it. So if I divided this line up evenly between 20 and 25, then I can imagine that 24 is going to be down here somewhere, and I will label it as such. So 24 would be thereabouts. And that shows that I know about where 24 is on an open number line. They could also have a number line where, let's say, 20 and 25 are marked, and they have to draw a line from 24 over to number line where 24 would be. So that could be a possibility on the test as well. So there are two options for your open number line, and make sure you write down any questions that you have based on anything that we sent home this weekend. Thanks so much.